Hey guys, it's Alonda Carter, and I'm going to show you how you can create your training surveys using SurveyMonkey. The first thing I want you to notice is up here, there's Start from Scratch and Copy Existing Survey. The Copy Existing Survey is a great feature once you already have your survey for your courses created. There are also templates that you can use, and you can see that there are my surveys. So once you have those, created, they'll be there, and most popular. So what we're going to do is we're going to start from scratch. Also up here you can get to your surveys. It talks about other products here, resources, plans, and pricing. This is where it goes into, basically you can get more bells and whistles if you pay, but all you guys really need is just to use the free resource of SurveyMonkey. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start from Scratch. I'm going to enter my name, and it's going to be Pre-Training Test. And I'm going to go down and say that it's education. And yes, my questions are already written. So I'm going to click on Create Survey. And SurveyMonkey is doing its thing. Okay. Let's see, no questions added, copy and paste. It tells us add each question and answer choice on its own line. Press enter on your keyboard twice to separate each question. So let's give that a go. Close that out. Okay, so new question. I am going to copy one of the statements right there. Okay, and now I'm going to put in the answer choices. See how easy that is? And I'm just going to put in these three just so you can kind of see. I'm not going to just keep on doing it over and over again. And we're not scoring this. Okay, so click Next, and you get another question. So I'm going to put one more in there, and then I'm going to just randomly put in some of the response choices because we are just testing this out. It's just for you guys to see how this works. And one more. And something I want you to notice is up here, there are different things that you can choose. You can use checkboxes, drop down star rating, so you can play around with how you want to use that. But this is just for us to be able to get some information from our audience for training. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then I'm going to pretend like I'm all done, and I'm going to click Next. Now here is how you can collect your responses. You can even share this in Facebook Messenger. How cool is that? Because probably everybody that you know who's taking your training is on Facebook. So you can choose that. You can also do it by email. So this also connects to, was it Chipmonkey? MailChimp, that's it, MailChimp. Get a web link. You don't want to buy responses. So basically you can choose different ways that you can collect this data. And I'm just going to go ahead and go Create Survey. And it should pop up in my surveys, which I'm going to go and look. And there it is. Look, Pre-Training Test. Okay, now I'm going to just go to our dashboard, and I'm going to pretend like I am coming in to look at some responses. So I'm going to just go to my surveys, and I think I have some from other times that I've used this a long time ago. So I'm going to go here just to show you guys what it looks like. I can see there's a total of 9 responses. There were 6 questions, 1 page. And I can see the response volume, 7 responses, 1 response, 1 response. Shows you over time, so analyze results. And now you'll see it by question. which is really cool. And so when you get the weighted average, that is your mean. If you want to look at the mode, that mode is the most frequent answer. And this one is right here, the mode, most frequent. And so you just can see that each one has their statistics, so you can use this to be able to determine, what's going on with your audience. And I believe you can export this to, which I will need to make another video on that to be able to show you how to do that. I don't want this to be too long. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and I appreciate you being here. Bye now.